Variables feel solid, functions feel important, but the system doesn't run on those things. It runs on memory. Let's reframe how you think about values, scope, lifetime, stack, and heap, not as language features, but as consequences of memory existing over time. A variable is just a label. What actually exists in a memory location are bits. The variable only tells the CPU where to look. If the name disappears, the memory might still exist. This gap between what we see in code and what exists during execution may be confusing. Values don't float around your program. If the CPU can read it, it has an address. Two values that look identical can live in completely different places, and changing one doesn't affect the other. Don't confuse value equality with memory identity. Scope answers one question: who can see this? Lifetime answers a more dangerous one: does it still exist? A value can go out of scope and remain alive in memory. If you assume invisibility means destruction, you'll misunderstand references, callbacks, and shared state. Scope is a language rule. Lifetime is a memory rule. Lifetime is about time. How long does this memory need to exist? Until the function ends? Until the request finishes? Until shutdown? Systems fail when memory lives longer or shorter than assumed. Most design mistakes aren't logic errors. They're time errors. The stack isn't special because of where it is. It's special because of how fast it dies. Stack memory exists only while a function runs. When the function returns, that memory is gone. Heap memory lives independently of call structure. If you return a reference to stack memory, you're handing out something that's already expired. Memory doesn't reset itself between executions or branches. If you don't write a value, something else already did. The CPU doesn't know what's supposed to be there. It'll just read what exists. That's why uninitialized state creates bugs that are very difficult to track. Think in memory and time instead of names. Before asking what a variable means, ask where its value lives. Before trusting scope, ask how long does the memory exist. These two questions will change how you debug, design, and reason about systems.